G'day viewers, Chris Atkins here. Welcome back to my channel. We are back at the car wash for another update, another day of hard work. It's Monday morning and I'm super excited for this week because we're going to get a lot of stuff done. We're going to be on the verge of, could potentially, possibly, probably won't open. It's going to be close. We're going to paint the place this week and get it open ready for probably the following week. So step inside with me. Let's see what we've done because it's getting close. Look at all this beautiful room. Look at this and look at that. What the hell? What is that? Oh my goodness. Triple foam is up on the wall. Hoses are ran to it. Wire. The wire is ran to it. It's all wired up, ready to go. The triple foam is ready to go, ladies and gentlemen. Well, I still gotta put the hydro minders on and connect it to the back of the faceplate, so it's not ready to go. It's ready to go in here, but you know, it's 90% done, maybe 85. And what else have we got? We have added some fittings and solenoids to the cat pumps. So look at this extravagant concoction we've made up. So we have the gauge, we put the gauge on, we have the regulator to adjust the pressure. We have a bunch of check valves, we have a bunch of T's, and then here we have the solenoids for the high pressure wax, the high pressure soap, and you can see all the top ones are done. That one's done, halfway through that one, and I got that one to go, so I'm gonna finish them off within the next hour. And then the pumps will be done. We're gonna run hoses. See these filters here with the 3/4 barbs. We're gonna run that to there. These will be good because any debris in the high pressure tank that goes down is not gonna get to the cat pump. It's gonna get caught in the filter. And if the cat pumps start vibrating in the bays, I just clean out the filter and it should be good. Ooh, I've got my stickers for my face plates. Same as my other car wash. Plural. So yeah, this is the motor room. How's that compared to when we first walked in? Unfreaking believable. And we have finally amazing weather. Today's gonna be 80 and then it's gonna hit 90. And I was watching my cameras over the weekend at my car washes. All day, cars waiting. 5 cars behind, 1 car behind each bay waiting pretty much all day. It's crazy, revenue's just gonna double. So I'm finally happy we're done with the cold, crappy weather. We shouldn't get any more rain. It should be all sunshine and rainbows from here on out. And like I said, we're gonna paint this place this week, so I'm super excited about that. It's gonna really revamp it and look completely different. What paint do you guys recommend I use that's gonna last the longest? I'm sure there's a bunch of know-it-all experts out there, so I'm looking for some paint ideas. I have some, I've heard of some, but it's crazy expensive, like 180 bucks a gallon, and I need probably 20 gallons minimum. So that's like $4,000+ just for paint, and I don't know if I'm willing to spend that. So anyone who knows the best paint that's gonna last the longest for a decent price, I don't mind spending around $2,000 for paint, $1,500, but $4,000's getting up there. So let's try and keep it suppress it. But yeah, that's gonna be exciting footage, so stay tuned for that. So it's a little tight and squishy back here, I'd say, but still not bad. I've seen worse car washes. All right, so let's get this done. Crazy tight because it's brass and over time it might split. Sometimes I've seen the brass fittings split and it starts spraying out water. And it's just a real pain in the butt to change it. So just firm, obviously, so it's not loose and water's not coming out. just nice and firm, but not like, "Argh." And again, we have the check valves here. Check valves is a one-way valve, so once the water goes in one way, it can't come out the other way. So you want to make sure you put that on the right way. So the arrow has an arrow showing on it. So this one's facing upwards because it's going to come out here. And then we're going to put on this guy on here. And you just have to concentrate and be very meticulous about putting this on, because say I get done and I think it's all good and I put the check valve on the wrong way, so I've got to take it all apart and spin it around. Waste of time, waste of everything. So if we do it right the first time, we don't have to worry about it. See, that's pretty firm. It's not crazy firm, but again, if I go around a whole nother time, I think it might be too tight. But I mean, that's firm enough where it's not gonna leak. Who's going on a car wash show? Las Vegas, 26th and 27th, I think, of this month. So 3 weeks away. If you're going to the car wash show, write it down in the comments so we can all hang out, because I think I'm going. Monex was going to bring me out so I'd be at their booth like last year in Nashville, Tennessee, but I haven't heard anything. Like I said, we still have about 3 weeks, so there's no major hurry, but I think I'm going. If they bring me out, I'll come. If they don't, I don't know if I'll bother going out, but we'll see. I want to go, so maybe I will just go on out there, but again, we'll see. See what happens. But I'll be in Vegas the week before that on the 19th and 20th for WrestleMania. I'm going. Got my sister coming over from Australia. We're gonna go to Vegas and watch WrestleMania, because that's what we do. Okay, so this part is done for now. So now we've got the big bad bottom. What are you all doing on a Monday morning? This is what I'm doing Monday morning. 7:30 a.m. Sitting here, putting fixtures, putting fittings. Why do I keep messing that up? Fixtures, fittings. These are fittings. I'm sitting here putting fittings on a pump. What are you guys doing? Are you heading to work? You heading to a job you like? You heading to a job you hate? Are you out scouting for car washes? But everyone always dreads the Monday morning. I love Mondays. I was bored on the weekend doing nothing, so couldn't wait for Monday morning to get here, make progress on the car wash, get it going, because every day we're that much closer to opening. Every day there's one more piece of equipment wired up, there's one more piece of work that needs to be done, and it gets done. And we're that much closer to the final result. And then the real work begins. Then we've got to maintain it and run it. Here's an up close and personal look into my fittings. So obviously it's not 100% done. We got to run the hose. I believe this hose is going to loop to here, like that. And we're going to have the wax soap spot free. So 3 things will run through this. Well, 4, including the high pressure rinse. So very cool. We've got another dog, another stray. Gonna have to take him home too, huh? Hey buddy, I already took one home. I don't think I can take another. You're kind of cool. You're like a wolf. See you, buddy. Can't do it again. Just when I thought I wasn't going to be on the roof again, here I am back on the roof. But it's for good reason, because we're going to spray paint the bucket. Now Edwin did a couple of days ago. Did a couple of buckets a couple of days ago. So it kind of looks much better and I'm happy with it. So good suggestion to all of you. See the result? It's not bad. It's not too bad. It looks better. It looks much better. So you can picture it's going to look like that versus that. And from down there, when you can see the top of the roof, it's going to look much better. So I'm happy with it. And again, who really cares? You know, it's the roof. Customers don't care. It's about that time, it's about that time. What time do you think it is? It's leaky time. Time to wash the wall, ready to paint it. We're gonna paint it this week. Uh-oh. Oh, look how dirty they are. Might not have to paint it once we wash all the dirt off, we'll just leave it. Maybe not. Wonder when the last time this was done. 1995. See the difference on the ground here, but we have the circular thing that you run over. We forgot to bring it, we'll bring it tomorrow. You can see how dirty it is. It's where we sprayed it. So it's going to come out really nice and clean tomorrow when we use the round disc.